That's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are. This is Memphis Shades trigger kit. Okay, so this is quick release. You can use this with your back wing, you know, your screens, whatever you like. Okay, so basically these two bolt onto the screen. This is your quick release. So basically these two here, they go around these bobbins. So this goes on the front of your bike, which in this case this is a Yamaha XV1900 Roadliner, midnight style, whatever you want to call it, and very easy to fit. Literally 10-minute job, and that's on. Then you basically, rather than buy a screen with these, you can have 3 or 4 screens and just bolt this to whichever screen you got. So for instance, you do a slims, a fats, a shorts, a long one, you know, big, loads of different screens, bullet fairing also, and the old back wing. So if you're interested, give us a bell. This one here is a Memphis Shades M8960 for the Yamaha XV1900, the Roadliner, Stratoliner, whatever you want to call it. Okay, thank you. CustomCruisers.com, alternatively 01773 835 666. Thank you.